I'm Rob Gallagher, and this is the Willis BTM-40 Vertical Machining Center. This machine comes standard with a Fagor 8058 CNC control, but we can also build that with a Heidenhain Acu-Rite G2 3-axis CNC control. And as you can see here, this is actually a factory ordered Fanuc 0i-MF control. This is not a control we typically put on these machines, generally due to the price of the Fanuc control, but this was a customer specific build, and it shows the flexibility that we have here at Willis Machinery to take care of our customers and provide them with exactly what they're looking for. This machine is a Cat 40 7500 RPM spindle and full 3-axis control. This is a 40-inch by 20-inch by 20-inch work envelope, and what makes the BTM unique is the open bed design, and then we also have the ability to expand into a tool changer with the Fanuc control, which we actually don't have on this machine. So next time you're in the market for anything that you can't find, give us a shout, let us take a look at it and see if we can use our manufacturing partners to build you exactly what you're looking for. You can follow us online. Our website is willismachinery.com. Follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn under Willis Machinery, and you can call us directly here at the shop at 419-537-1717, or email us at sales@willismachinery.com. We look forward to helping you with your next machinery need. Have a great day.